Hi everybody, welcome to our Ryobi review. Today I'm going to unbox that HP chainsaw. It's the 18 volt 10 inch. This is an awesome chainsaw. Ryobi actually sent me this one for replacement because I cut so many trees down in the summer with my other one that end up burning up the computer board inside. And yeah, they don't fix that part. That's pretty much the only part that they cannot fix. So they sent me a brand new one. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So first I'll show you it's a brushless motor. So you have cooler and longer runtime. 10-inch bar and chains. They're claiming it's 85% faster cutting than the non-HP one. There's an oiler in it. I show you that in my other video when I show you how to cut tree and set up everything. And there's 3-year warranty on there. So I don't know, depend where you are, I guess, in the world, but here in Canada there's 90 days warranty in the store, and then after that you need to bring it to a Ryobi certified repair guy, and they'll service it and warranty it for up to 3 years. So mine was just a little bit less than a year old, so whoops, there's a dog. So yeah, they sent me a new one. So when you open the box here, it shows you first on top that there's something you can scan with your phone to unleash the potential with compatible accessory. I never did that, so maybe it'll be fun to check that out later. I didn't even know you could get the accessory for this thing. So here's the owner manual book. How not to cut your leg in your filter and your fingers. Some writer review thing for chance to win stuff. And some application for the batteries. And advertisement for other tools. Alright, and then the only thing that's left in there is the chainsaw. So I'll take this box out of the way. I think usually it's supposed to have like a little tie strap in here to hold that, but that was missing. So I can just take it out of here. Nice new chainsaw. Put the battery on the left side of it. So 10-inch blade here. Put the guard back on. This guard here is actually not doing anything. It's not popping in or out there, just to protect your end, that's all. If you want to see how to adjust the chain, I have another video. I'll put the link on top. Here's the little button here to release your trigger to lock it. And you have to remember to put your oil in here. And then it shows you press this button here to oil your chain. And it looks like there's already had a little bit of oil in there, maybe just for testing. Or maybe not, maybe it's just shiny plastic, who knows. The chain is oil up. So yeah, that's what you get. just put a battery in there and just try it out, make sure everything works good. So there's no back probe for the battery in this one. It's still better to use a HP battery for it because of the technology to cool it down and all that, but yeah, there's no extra port on it. So anyway, for this test, just to test it right now, because I just have some small battery charge up. So there's the 4-amp battery, just a regular black one. Take the guard there so you don't rip it apart. Okay, chain's clearing up everything. All right. Perfect. Everything works great. Well, thank you, Ryobi. It does come with the tool to adjust the chain. It's this right here. So this clip here, it just holds it in that hole. You can only put it on one side because the screwdriver is kind of offset. If you put it like this, it's going to be too far from the chainsaw, so this side here goes against the chainsaw. You just push it in and it holds it in place. It won't fall down. I never had it fall down when I was cutting all those trees in the summer. Yeah, great little chainsaw. Especially if you're got an ATV or something like that, then you can just strap it in the back of your ATV with a couple batteries and you're good to go if you find a tree that falls down in the middle of the trail or something like that. Or if you need to cut a little bit of firewood if you're camping. Those are great. The only thing to remember though, it's like most chainsaw, after you put the oil, it's gonna drip. Like there's nothing you need to do to stop that. Like it'll just drip down here slowly. So yeah, make sure you don't put it on top of anything that you don't want to have oily. All right. Okay. Cheers, guys. All right. So I did scan the QR code and went to check it out. It shows you. I'll show you the picture in 2 seconds. I took some screenshot of it. It just pretty much shows you the chainsaw. It shows you the 4-amp hour HP battery, charger to charge it up, a fast charge, and replacement chain. Which I guess the replacement chain is there's an error on the web page right now. It cannot find it if you click on it. Anyway, I'll just show you the picture right now.